The best juices, how to choose the right one for you. When you are looking at buying a juicer, one of the considerations is obviously cost. Unfortunately, the most expensive does not always mean better. If you are going to be juicing long term, it is advisable to do your research and spend a little more. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss the best juicers and how to choose the right one for you. There are three types of juicer. The first type is a centrifugal juicer. This type of juicer is the most popular, especially for beginners. They also tend to be the cheapest. Produce is put in a large funnel on top of the machine. This feeds into a fine metal cutter that spins very fast. This cuts the produce and forces the juice out. The leftover pulp goes into a separate part and the juice is pumped out of a nozzle, usually into a jug. The pulp tends to be quite moist, which shows there is still a fair amount of juice left in it. This is one of the reasons that this type of juicer is not the most economical. When juicing, it is best to invest in organic produce, but if you are not getting all the juice out of it, then it can prove costly. Centrifugal juicers are also not very effective at extracting the juice from leafy vegetables, such as spinach. The other problem with centrifugal juicers is that the fast spinning produces heat. This speed can also create a froth on the juice. That froth is caused by oxygen. It also causes the juice to go off much faster. The centrifugal juicer is ideal if you are juicing hard fruits and vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, ginger, apples and pears. It is not very good at juicing soft fruits such as berries. The next type of juicer is a masticating juicer, sometimes called a cold press juicer. Unlike the centrifugal juicer, this one does not cause a froth or oxygen to be added to the juice. Masticating juicers extract juice by crushing it, which is a slower process, but this is why more juice is extracted. Fruits and vegetables need to be chopped up. This is because the tube that feeds into the juicer is narrower than a centrifugal juicer. The pulp is separated into one part of the machine. The juice passes through a fine mesh so that all the fibre is removed. A disadvantage with masticating juicers is that they are more expensive than centrifugal ones. Masticating juicers work much slower than centrifugal ones and can also be much louder. Unfortunately, they can take longer to take apart, clean and put back together. The last type of juicer is a triturating juicer. These are the top of the range juicers that have the benefits of both of the other two types. They look good on the kitchen counter, but cost hundreds, even thousands of dollars or pounds. The produce must be chopped up before being put into the machine, but every drop of juice will be squeezed out. This juicer is the most efficient, but at a cost. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.